This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever inside the vehicle. Pull the hood safety latch outward, then raise the hood. Remove the air filter housing trim cover, then detach the air intake duct. Pry open the retaining clips and lift the cover upwards from the air filter housing. Only lift the cover enough to gain the needed access to remove the filter element. If necessary, temporarily remove the Canister Purge solenoid valve from the cover or disconnect any interfering hoses and position them aside. Remove the air filter element, noting how it is oriented. Wipe clean or vacuum out debris from the housing. Then install the new filter element, making sure it seats correctly in the housing. Reinstall the cover and secure it with the retaining clips. If removed, install the Canister Purge solenoid valve to the cover and connect any hoses that were disconnected for removal. Secure the hose clamps on the hoses. Reinstall the air intake duct, then install the filter housing trim cover.